what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac here again with another food review for you guys. Today I got something completely different, of course out of this world. Spicy and sweet marshmallows by Yum Mallow. And it says on the front here, turn up the sweet heat. Careful kids, they're spicy. Spicy and sweet marshmallows. And obviously it's in a pretty small bag. On the back there's a pro tip. It says dark chocolate pairs perfectly with the sweet and spicy flavor of these marshmallows. The surprising combo gives s'mores, cakes, brownies, and cookies an extra descendant twist. And it's great in ice cream too. Just melt our mallows into a sauce to pour over a big fudgy bowl. Right now, main thing is, are they good? So, no resealable bag this time. Just open them up and roll it up and tie it with a rubber band. These just look like regular size marshmallows. They don't smell spicy, but I want to be really spiced out here. So, let's give this a shot. Okay. Man, I like these. And they actually are spicy too. Going for a second one. As you guys already know, I really love spicy food. If I was to have 3 or 5 of them in one shot, I might need a glass of water. Yeah, they're actually spicy. I'm actually a big fan of these. Definitely more spicy than sweet. It says spicy and sweet, but trust me, they're definitely way more spicy than sweet. I eat something like this, I'm just like, man, I wish I just had some wings right now or something. You know what I mean? Like really spicy wings. That's really all I get when I eat these. Listen, at the end of the day, they're marshmallows, you know? I see how they try to be different by adding a little kick to the regular marshmallow snack. But, I mean, listen, overall, again, it's good, but it's weird. A spicy marshmallow, come on. I think they really hit it off with the description. These are spicy. I can tell you that for sure. Any of the snacks that I reviewed in the past that were spicy, like the spicy, Cinnamon Fuego Toast Crunch, the spicy Cinnamon Toast Crunch, these are way spicier than that. Way spicier. As far as the name spicy goes up to, for sure this is number 1 when it comes to highest spice level in any spicy snacks. That's a lot of spicy, isn't it? If you like spicy stuff, and you love marshmallows, and you thought, man, can those two things just exist in one? Here you go. Right here. Really cool, good, but again, super weird. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac. As always, I'll see you next time.